I think one thing that's interested me with working with Gallagher is the way in which quality is a fundamental part of your ethos enables us to engage with an organisation like yourself, like Gallagher, to be able to work on cyber and cyber standards and get this message into an industry, whilst at the same time, as an organisation, you're quite open in terms of collaboration and integration with other manufacturers and other equipment bases.
I think the fact that we do build, for example, all of our PCBs, we print and then we go all the way through to soap testing, means that we're in charge of the most important thing, and that's quality. And in particular, when it comes to writing software, we're able to write our software, we're able to test it that evening, using a massive test environment which can replicate thousands and thousands of scenarios of an evening, and therefore in the morning we can make those changes to that particular software set. So we're writing software and then we're testing concurrently, and having a penetration tester in that mix as well means that we're hardening our product as we go.
I think what we've seen that's helped to raise that awareness is your continued investment in things like your end user events, but also things like your annual conference, which has enabled to become seen as an educational event and not simply a sales showcase.
It's always the question of how do you access your partner base for a start. That's our route to market. How do you access your end users? How do you educate them in a way which is meaningful, but also is enjoyable too? We engage with our customers, via a variety of means, but by helping them with software maintenance, that has really driven much better quality. Really identify cyber as being important to them. They understand why it's important to keep things current and keep things right up to date with the standards of today.
And do you think that understanding is going to result in a greater user pushback against other manufacturers in the future?
From an industry perspective, what we want to see is the entire industry being lifted towards the same direction, because if more people are talking the same language, it becomes common language across the industry.